everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a backwater scene with a houseboat. We'll start by making the waves using these curvy patterns. Next, we are going to be making the base of the houseboat. For doing this, we'll make two curvy slanting lines and join them by another curved line. Next, we will make a semicircle sort of shape, a long curved line coming from it, and another slanting line joining it to the base. Next, we will double our semicircle. Here we will make another two slanting lines in the corner to give it the 3D effect. Next, we are going to make a sort of structure on top of the main body, like the roof of a house. Next, we are going to make these windows. The same way we made the door, as you may call it. Double the lines and then make two straight lines in the center. These will be used to open and close the windows. Next, we are going to make a fence sort of pattern. You may call it a fence, which will protect the people from falling into the water. Next, we are making these patterns, two straight lines, one circle and another small circle inside it. We are going to make 4 of these. You may also make them using buttons of different sizes. After I used buttons, the third one looked a little bigger, so I am going to make the circle 4 freehand, like the first two. We are going to make another wave. You may miss this second wave and make normal waves too, like these. Now we'll start with the background. We will make some bushes and 2 coconut trees. We'll make 5 curvy lines. We'll make 3 coconuts, big coconuts, and then we will erase the extra lines. Next, we will make the leaves. We'll use the same method as we use in making the rays of the sun. We make another coconut tree on the side. I'll be using a different way to make the leaves of this coconut tree. using these zigzag patterns. We'll add more coconuts. We'll make 2 clouds and a sun at the back. And our drawing is done. Bye.